guys, and welcome to Basic Kitchen. My name is Andrea and today we are going to make cheese sticks. So for this kind of recipe we need butter, cheese, flour, cold water, sesame seeds, 1 egg and salt. Let's get started. So the first step is to mix the butter with the flour with the help of our hand. We mix the butter with the flour until it becomes sandy. Now we are going to add the water and the salt. And we mix. It's time to add the cheese and we're gonna give it on the grater. Now we mix everything. If it gets too sticky, we can add some flour. So the dough is ready and we put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to beat the egg. I took the dough from the fridge, we put it on the table. So now we spread the dough with the help of a roller. So it's time to make the sticks. Going to put the sticks into a tray covered with parchment paper. After we put it into the tray, we brush every stick. And we add the seeds. the sticks into the preheated oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. The sticks are ready. So the cheese sticks are ready. Enjoy!